Welcome to Georgeway mathTV.
So how am I gonna do this right here? Oh, okay. I know that because this is like one term, or this is by itself. This is by itself. The fact that it's in parentheses, right? And I know because there's no sign right here, there's a multiplication. Same thing right here. This is one. That is another one. Because there's no signs right here, I'm gonna have to put multiplication right there. And if that is the case, I always have to simplify the fraction. So 45 and 5. How am I gonna simplify that? Well, 5 can divide into this, and then 5 can divide into that. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. And then 5 divided by 5 also. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And I cannot simplify anymore. So 9 and 1 will be my new numbers right there. So that's the first thing that I do. And then the next step is I have to now start looking, like, look at the top and the bottom. Do I see any like terms? This is W minus 5. And it always have to be top and bottom here. So this is W minus 5. And this is W plus 6. They are not like terms. 2W minus 7. And I see exactly 2W minus 7 right here. So they are like terms. So I can cross that out. And now whatever is left should be my answer. So looking at the top, I have 9, and then I have parentheses W minus 5. That will be for the top. And then for the bottom, I have 1, and I have W plus 6. And whenever I have a 1 outside the parentheses, I can choose not to bring it. So I can just take it out. And that's it. That would just be my answer. Alright, let me see if I really got this. Let me try this one too. So this one, same rule. I see something like that. There's no sign right here, so I know there's a multiplication sign. There's a multiplication sign right here. There's no plus or minus, so it's a multiplication. No plus or minus, so it's a multiplication. And I always have to simplify the numbers without the parentheses. So these two numbers that I see, one number can divide into 3 and 18. It's 3. So 3 can go into this 3 right here, and then 3 can go into this 18. So now, what would it be though? 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then 18 divided by 3 is 6. That is 6 right there. And I cannot simplify anymore. So that would just be it. That would be the two numbers, the new two numbers for those right there. And now, I'm going to have to check the ones in parentheses. Do I see any like terms? Oh, they're trying to trick me right there. This is K minus 3, and this is K plus 3. They're trying to trick me, so they are not the same. This is a minus, this is a plus. So these two are not like terms. But what about this one? M plus 9, M plus 9. They are the same. So because they are the same, I should be able to cross it out. And now, whatever is left should be my answer. So looking at the top, I have 1, and I have K minus 3. And what about the bottom? At the bottom, I have 6, and then K plus 3. And again, anytime I have 1 outside a parenthesis, I can choose not to bring it. I can just take this out. And that is simplified. That's my answer right there. Alright. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Now is your turn. So I want you to practice some of these questions on your own so you can make sure you got it. And I know you got this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.